Hello everyone, welcome to day one of the complete SQL Server DBA course. Whether you're just starting out or want to level up your skills, I'll be guiding you step by step through everything you need to become a confident and skilled SQL Server database administrator. Let's begin with a question. Have you ever wondered how companies manage to keep track of huge amounts of data every second without losing or messing it up? Think about your bank, an online store, or a hospital. All these places use databases to store and manage their critical information. SQL Server is one of the most popular tools used to make this happen. SQL Server is a relational database management system, or RDBMS, developed by Microsoft. But what does that really mean? Imagine a giant digital filing cabinet where all your important information is stored. But instead of messy papers, the data is organized into neat tables, rows, and columns. SQL Server manages these tables and makes sure you can access the right information quickly and securely. For example, when you use an online shopping site and add an item to your cart, SQL Server records that action. When you place an order, it stores your details and payment information. It also keeps track of inventory so that other shoppers don't buy the same item at the same time. The language SQL Server uses to communicate with data is called SQL, which stands for Structured Query Language. SQL lets you write commands to fetch, update, or delete data from these tables. Why is SQL Server so popular? SQL Server is trusted by companies worldwide for many reasons. Reliability. SQL Server ensures your data is safe and consistent, even if something unexpected happens, like a power failure. Security. It has strong built-in security features that protect sensitive information from unauthorized access. Performance. It is designed to handle large amounts of data and complex queries quickly. Integration. It works seamlessly with Microsoft tools like Excel, Power BI, and Azure Cloud Services, helping businesses analyze and visualize data. Scalability. You can start small and grow your database as your business expands. High availability. Features like clustering and always on ensure your database is up and running 24/7 with minimal downtime. Different editions of SQL Server. Microsoft offers several editions of SQL Server to fit different needs. Express Edition, a free, lightweight version perfect for learning and small apps, but with some limits on size and performance. Developer Edition, free with all features included, but only for development and testing, not for live production use. Standard Edition offers core database features suitable for many small and medium-sized businesses. Enterprise Edition, the full-featured high-performance edition used by large organizations with mission-critical applications. Choosing the right edition depends on your business needs and budget. What is a database administrator, DBA? Now let's talk about the person who manages all this. The database administrator, or DBA. Think of a DBA as a caretaker or guardian of the database. The DBA's job is to make sure the database runs smoothly, stays secure, and recovers quickly if anything goes wrong. Without a skilled DBA, databases can become slow, unreliable, or even lose data, which can cause major problems for a business. Core responsibilities of a SQL Server DBA. As a DBA, your responsibilities will include installing and configuring SQL Server, setting up the software and tailoring it to your company's needs, creating and managing databases, designing databases, organizing data, and ensuring efficient storage, backup and recovery, planning backups regularly to protect data and restoring it quickly in case of failure or mistakes, security, managing user access and permissions to protect data from unauthorized users, performance tuning, monitoring database performance, identifying slow queries and optimizing them. Maintenance tasks, automating jobs like database integrity checks, index rebuilding, and statistics updates. High availability and disaster recovery, implementing solutions that keep databases running even during hardware failures or disasters. Upgrades and patching, keeping the system updated with the latest patches and new versions. Troubleshooting, quickly identifying and resolving issues as they arise. Why is the DBA role critical? Imagine a major online store on Black Friday. Millions of users browse and place orders simultaneously. If the database slows down or crashes, the whole website might go down. resulting in lost sales and frustrated customers. A good DBA ensures the database can handle such load and recovers quickly from any problems, keeping the business running smoothly. Skills. You need to become a successful DBA. To be an effective DBA, you need a mix of technical and soft skills. Technical skills. Understanding SQL Server architecture and how it works internally. Writing efficient SQL queries and optimizing existing ones. Managing backups, restores, and disaster recovery strategies. Implementing security best practices. Monitoring and tuning database performance using SQL Server Management Studio and other tools. Soft skills. Strong communication skills to collaborate with developers, managers, and other stakeholders. Problem-solving mindset to troubleshoot complex issues. Patience and attention to detail. Good documentation practices. Real-life scenario. Backup and recovery. Let me share a simple story to highlight the importance of backups. Imagine a developer accidentally deletes a crucial table containing customer orders. Without a backup, all that data could be lost forever. As a DBA, it's your job to ensure that backups are taken regularly and that you can restore the database to the exact point before the deletion, minimizing downtime and data loss. This scenario shows why backups are like insurance policies. You hope you never need them, but when you do, they save the day. Where do DBAs work? DBAs are needed everywhere data is important, such as banks and financial institutions, healthcare providers managing patient records, government agencies, e-commerce companies, IT and software companies. As more businesses rely on data, the demand for skilled DBAs keeps growing. Career growth opportunities. Starting as a junior DBA, you can grow into senior roles or even become a database architect or data platform manager. With the rise of cloud computing, learning cloud platforms like Azure SQL or Amazon RDS can open new doors. Summary and what's next. Today, we've covered what SQL Server is, the different editions available, the role and responsibilities of a DBA, essential skills and career growth opportunities. In the next video, we'll dive deeper into SQL Server architecture and explore the components that make the database engine work. Thank you for watching Day 1. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future lessons. Feel free to leave your questions in the comments. I'm here to help you on your journey to becoming a SQL Server DBA. See you in the next video.